Magic is a universal language, but not all magical experiences are created equal. In Japan, imagination and craftsmanship come together to create something truly extraordinary. Harry Potter World Japan, where every corner brings J.K. Rowling's wizarding universe to life.
Today we're diving into Harry Potter World Japan, a spellbinding collection of attractions, shops, and studio experiences that capture the heart of the wizarding saga with a uniquely Japanese touch. From exploring Hogwarts Castle in Osaka to stepping onto the actual film sets in Tokyo, Japan's version of the wizarding world offers an unforgettable journey through magic and imagination.
Welcome to Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders. Let's get started.
Our journey begins in Osaka at the wizarding world of Harry Potter inside Universal Studios Japan. The moment you walk through the iconic gates, you're transported straight into Hogsmeade, complete with snow-covered rooftops, stone cottages, and the magnificent Hogwarts Castle towering above. One of the park's biggest highlights is the Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey ride, a thrilling 4D experience that takes you soaring through Quidditch matches, dodging dragons, and exploring Hogwarts' hidden corridors. It's an immersive adventure that feels like flying beside Harry himself. When hunger strikes, stop by the Three Broomsticks, where you can enjoy classic wizarding fare such as shepherd's pie or roast chicken for about 2,000 Japanese yen, around 13 USD. And of course, don't forget to grab a butterbeer, the drink every witch and wizard must try, for 1,200 Japanese yen, about 8 USD. Take your time exploring the Hogwarts Castle walk, where you'll encounter Dumbledore's office, the Gryffindor common room, and even the moving portrait galleries. Around Hogsmeade, interactive spell spots allow guests to use their wands to cast spells, an experience that brings the fantasy to life. What makes Osaka's wizarding world truly special is Japan's signature attention to detail. Every sound, light, and brick is carefully crafted to make visitors feel part of the story. To make the most of your visit, arrive early or stay until dusk when the castle's lights reflect against the evening sky, creating a breathtakingly magical scene.
Next, we head to Nerima, Tokyo, where the Warner Brothers Studio Tour Tokyo takes you behind the scenes of the Harry Potter films. This is where fans can see the actual sets, props, and costumes used during production and gain a deeper appreciation for the artistry behind the movies. Here, you'll walk through the Great Hall, step into Diagon Alley, and wander the eerie Forbidden Forest. You can even take a green screen broomstick ride or pose inside the Hogwarts Express for unforgettable photos. When you need a break, head to the Studio Cafe, offering British classics like fish and chips for around 1,800 to 2,500 Japanese yen, about 12 to 17 USD. And yes, butterbeer is available here too for 1,200 Japanese yen, about 8 USD. Before you leave, make sure to explore the Studio Shop, home to exclusive Tokyo merchandise you can't find anywhere else. Inside the railway shop near the King's Cross station set, you can find customizable souvenirs like engraved notebooks or personalized Hogwarts admission letters, priced around 2,600 Japanese yen, about 17 USD. Tokyo Studio Tour is newer and even more interactive than its London counterpart. The atmosphere feels intimate yet cinematic, allowing visitors to truly step inside the world of the films. For a more magical experience, book an evening slot, when the sets glow dramatically under soft lighting, adding a whole new dimension to your visit.
Beyond the grand attractions, Japan offers a unique way to experience the wizarding world every day through its Mahou Dokoro stores, a series of enchanting boutiques located in Harajuku, Yokohama, and Nagoya. Each store is beautifully themed, offering a different magical atmosphere that draws fans into a world of fantasy and imagination. The shelves are filled with Japan-exclusive merchandise, including replica wands around 4,000 to 6,000 Japanese yen, about 26 to 40 USD, wizard robes 12,000 to 15,000 Japanese yen, about 80 to 100 USD, and house scarves 3,000 to 4,000 Japanese yen, about 20 to 27 USD. You'll also find stationery, keychains, badges, and themed accessories priced between 800 and 2,500 Japanese yen, about 5 to 17 USD, making it easy for visitors to take home a piece of magic no matter their budget. What makes Mahou Dokoro particularly special is how it blends the wizarding charm with Japanese design aesthetics. From minimalist packaging to exclusive Japan-only collaborations, each item reflects the artistry and attention to detail that Japanese craftsmanship is known for.
Located in the heart of Harajuku, Tokyo's trendiest district, the Mahou Dokoro flagship store is where fantasy meets fashion. This two-floor boutique is filled with whimsical decor, magical music, and an array of exclusive collectibles, from time-turner jewelry to Hogwarts house robes. You can enjoy a refreshing butterbeer or butterbeer ice cream priced between 1,200 to 1,500 Japanese yen, about 8 to 10 USD. Or head to the customization corner to embroider your initials on a Hogwarts cloak for 2,500 to 3,000 Japanese yen, about 17 to 20 USD. Every detail in the store feels magical, with interactive photo spots like a Hogwarts Express wall, a floating wand display, and a spellcasting mirror. To get the best photos without the crowds, visit on a weekday morning. Harajuku's Mahou Dokoro perfectly captures the spirit of both worlds, the whimsy of Harry Potter and the youthful, creative energy of Tokyo.
Next, we travel to Yokohama, where the Mahou Dokoro at Landmark Plaza offers a cozy, castle-like ambiance. Inside, stone-textured walls, floating candles, and warm lighting create the feeling of stepping into Hogwarts itself. This location is known for its limited edition seasonal merchandise featuring special collections during Halloween and Christmas. Fans can also shop for robes, scarves, and accessories, with prices ranging from 12,000 Japanese yen, about 80 USD, for high-quality robes, to smaller collectibles for a few hundred yen. Staff here are knowledgeable and always eager to share updates about new collections. Since exclusive items sell out quickly, it's best to check in during seasonal releases or follow their online updates for restock announcements.
Finally, in Nagoya's Oasis 21, the Mahou Dokoro store may be compact, but it's packed with magic. Located in a futuristic shopping complex, this shop offers an impressive variety of wands, robes, and Japan-exclusive wizarding accessories, priced between 1,500 and 12,000 Japanese yen, about 10 to 80 USD. At the entrance, interactive wand demonstrations allow fans to test spells and experience a bit of Hogwarts magic firsthand. Despite its smaller space, the store delivers a full magical experience and is perfect for travelers looking for unique souvenirs. Visit on weekday mornings for a calmer, more personal shopping experience.
From soaring above Hogwarts in Osaka to exploring the real movie sets in Tokyo, and even shopping for your own wand in Harajuku, Harry Potter World Japan offers something for every kind of fan. It's not just a theme park or a series of stores, it's a magical journey woven into Japan's culture of creativity and storytelling. Each location reflects Japan's dedication to precision, hospitality, and artistry. Whether you're sipping butterbeer, customizing your robe, or walking through Dumbledore's office, every moment feels like a scene straight out of the wizarding world.
So if you've ever dreamed of living your Hogwarts fantasy, there's no better place to experience it than in Japan, where magic and imagination meet reality. Have you ever visited any of these Harry Potter attractions? Which one would you love to explore first? Let us know in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tap the notification bell for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching. This is Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders.